I think I'm live now. Hi everybody. In my video, I want to make this like a blog, just to have an open talk about computer repairs, how to fix your computer, and the things that you can do to manage your computer and maintain it. I've been fixing computers for like 25 years, and I have a lot of experience, and my passion is to help people maintain their computer and teach people how to repair their own computer if they so do so. I also repair computers myself in my business, and I do remote computer repair online for people that want that done. But my main focus and my channel is to teach people how to maintain and do basic repairs to their computer. So I hope you subscribe and if you get value out of my channel, please watch my other videos and you will learn a lot about computer repair. I'm just chilling out here, relaxing. I'm not even going to edit this video. I'm just going to consider this a regular blog and to talk to you about computer repairs. When you own a laptop, let's just first say, you have to be careful with your laptop that you don't put anything heavy on top of it, because you could damage the screen. And even if you get a little scratch or something on the screen and it looks starting to come through, because the screen is made up of liquid crystal, that's why it's called LCD. I've seen many a screen start with just a little bit of a break in the corner, and within a month or so that can go like halfway across your screen if you get a crack in it. So I always tell people, don't put anything heavy on your laptop. And also make sure you keep your keys clean. Get some compressed air, spray around the keys. So make sure it's off, obviously. Keep it off. Spray into the fans to get that dust out of it, because laptops will run hot if there's a lot of dust in it, and it won't be able to circulate. And also, if you have a desktop, make sure you clean your fans, clean the inside of the desktop, make sure it's unplugged first. You really need to keep your desktop running cool. So every couple of weeks or every month, get a can of compressed air and just, clean the fans, open up the side, open up the case, and clean inside it. And make sure all your cables are nicely neat under your desk, and your computer's in a good place where it can get air and not confined to any drawer or anything where it can get hot. Also, your software, make sure your Windows is working good. If you have a slow computer and it used to be fast, then I suggest you run your antivirus, run malware remover. There's a free version online that you can download, and it'll fix infections and all kinds of problems on your computer. And then get CCleaner, which is another free program. Run that. And also go to the control panel and go to add remove programs. Install the programs you don't use, don't want. There's no need to have a lot of things on your hard drive that you don't need, because if you have too much stuff on your hard drive, it will bog it down, it will slow your computer down. So between Malwarebytes, Avast free antivirus, which I recommend, just type in free antivirus and you'll see AVG or Avast. Those are two really good antiviruses. And make sure you clean your laptop screen with a damp cloth. And be careful, when you're transporting it or carrying your laptop around. They're pretty fragile laptops. I replace screens now and then for people that step on them, or people end up breaking screens or dropping their laptops, and it's over like $100 or even more to replace it. So be careful when you're handling your laptop. And once you charge your battery, I recommend keeping it plugged in. If you can, keep it plugged in as much as you can after your battery is fully charged. And make sure your power option is set to high performance. Also make sure if you're using Google Chrome, go into the top right hand corner of Google Chrome. There's 3 dots in a row, vertical dots. Click on that, hover over the history, make sure you delete all your history. That way it runs better and your browser will work faster. And that's a really good tip, because a lot of people don't clean their browser out. You have to clean your browser and your history in your browser. It's a really important thing. And also go to those 3 dots and go down to settings. Check your settings. Make sure your settings are set on, your default is set on Google Chrome. You want your browser to be Google Chrome, and if another browser took over that, then you need to put it back to Google Chrome. Also, when you're in Add Remove Program, if you have any toolbars in there, get rid of them. Toolbars are not very good, and they can really mess up your computer and make it run really weird and everything like that when your computer has all these different toolbars on it. So those tips will really help you. If you have any questions about your computer, what it's doing, or you have questions, you need your computer tuned up or anything, and you want additional tips, just put it in the comments and I'll get back to you. I really want people to send me questions and I will answer them. I'm thankful. Thank you very much for all the questions I've gotten so far. I have gotten questions and I hope I helped you out with the answer. If you're looking for computer parts, I recommend going to a website that monitors all the prices on the computer. It's called pricewatch.com, and I don't get paid for it. I'm not an affiliate or anything like that, but it's a good website to buy computer parts, and that's called pricewatch.com. If you want to buy memory to upgrade your computer, I recommend going to crucial.com. That's CRUCIAL, Crucial Memory, and they will help you upgrade your computer, make it faster by adding more memory if you need that. But once you do basic maintenance and you keep up the maintenance, your computer will keep running fast and it will work a lot longer, so you'll get more use out of it and more life out of it. I see a lot of people that want to buy new computers because their computers really slowed down, and a lot of the videos that I make will tell you how to speed it up, and they're pretty simple things to do. Like one of my videos, 5 steps on how to speed up your computer. I have another video on 7 steps to speed up your computer, and I have other videos. I mean, just check them out, playlist to tell you how to fix any kind of computer issue you have. But if you have any issues that you want to ask me, just go ahead and ask. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos, and like and also share my videos with your friends and family. And that'll help them out a lot with any computer problems they have. And they can contact me also, and I will help them additionally. So this is going to be the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. This is Mike Locascio, MSL Computer Service. See you later. Bye.